YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here. And today I am showing you my summer skin routine for glowy, fresh summer skin that has some sun protection in it, because you guys know never go a day without sunscreen. Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you click that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me. It really helps me out a lot. And last shameless self promo before we start, the jewelry that I'm wearing is what am I trying to say here? The jewelry that I'm wearing is from my brand Local The Label. You can check it out on localthelabel.com. Local The Label has really high quality, beautiful, hand curated pieces by me to elevate your summer wardrobe. Again, that's localthelabel.com. Your support means so much to me. All right, that's enough of that. Let's just jump in. So I am doing a full face of Ilia. I have mascara and brows on right now, but I just wanted to show you my sort of foundation skin routine for the summer, and I've been obsessed with it. My skin is so glowy. It looks like a little disco ball. So starting off, I am using the Ilia True Skin Radiant Priming Serum, and I like to shake this up per the directions. And I just like to use about 3 drops of this. It's like this really pretty glowy serum. Wow. And I just like to use 3 drops like this, and it feels very like water-based. It goes on really, really smoothly. I did read some reviews that said that this caused pilling, and I can definitely see where they're coming from. But the glow that it gives is so worth it to me. In the summertime, I could not be bothered to conceal. I really just go right in with the Ilia Skin Tint. This is the Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40. I tried this before and I really didn't like it, but the reason was I got the wrong shade, and so I tried to make it work, but it just never really worked out for me. So I went into Sephora and got skin matched, and it's so beautiful on the skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up. So I just like to do 3 drops again. You want to get enough so that you are receiving the benefits of the skin protection, or the sun protection. This has SPF 40 in it, but I love to let my skin peek through. This doesn't have a full coverage. Obviously, it's a skin tint, so it's not even really covering that much. Let me get a little closer. But it just gives your skin this smoother, evened out look with adding some gloss and some glow. As you can see, like, it does pill a little bit, and I'm pretty sure that that's from the priming serum, but I love it. I don't use this without the priming serum. I think it's so worth it. I just like to kind of pat it in. If I was going out to the beach or going outside, really, I would layer an SPF under this, but I do like that this has SPF 40. I think it's so important to get your sunscreen in, no matter when you can. This also has niacinamide and squalene in it, which from my understanding, super hydrating, just really good skin ingredients. I love to wear things like this where you're benefiting your skin but also giving a little bit of coverage, a little bit of glow. Next, I'm going in with the Ilia Drawn In Nightlight Bronzer. Oh, Drawn In is the shade. I made a whole video talking about this before. I love it so much. I've hit pan on this since last summer, but I love this product. I also tried the Kosas bronzer, and I just love this one way better. I've been trying this new thing where I'm putting bronzer on my cheekbones where I would normally put blush, and then blush where I'm putting highlight, and it actually gives your face like a really lifted look. I absolutely am obsessed. So I just kind of put this bronzer along where I would normally put blush, like this, the apples of my cheeks, and then bring it upwards like this. And I kind of squeeze the brush like this, do a little bit of contour there, and then blend it up into the hairline. This bronzer is so beautiful. It looks so natural on the skin, especially considering how pale I am naturally. It really does a good job at blending in. I think this might be the darker shade. I'm not positive. Just don't want any harsh lines. I just want it to look really natural. Okay, now that I look a little bit more alive, we are just gonna go into blush, and I'm using this multi-stick. This is in the shade At Last. It's this beautiful sort of mauve-y pink color. It looks so beautiful on skin tones, but also on skin tones. It looks so good on a variety of skin tones. It's just like a very basic sort of mauve-y pink. Like I said, I am applying this higher because I do want that sort of lifted look. So I'm applying this basically like right under my eye. This looks so weird, but I've actually really been liking it. And I kind of just do like a strip like this, and then I always do a little on the bridge of my nose, just for that kind of sun-kissed look. And then I just rub it in my fingers. I use my fingers for all products these days. I just can't be bothered to wet my beauty blender. Me having glowy summer skin is all about protecting your skin from the sun, but also just the most natural, minimal look. And I find that using my fingers just blends the products in so much more effortlessly, and it looks less intentional, if that makes sense. So it's a little messy, it's not perfect, but I really like just using my fingers. Especially for travel too, it's so easy to not have to pack a bunch of beauty tools. Also, this self tanner is missing from my hand. It's a really good look. Just blend it on my nose. Then I'm taking the Stick Illuminator in the shade Polka Dots and Moonbeams. I actually just got this product yesterday and I love it. It is so subtle, which I really like. I've been going for a much more sort of dewy highlighter where it looks just like a little bit glossy versus any sort of shimmer or sparkle. This does have a tiny bit of shimmer, but it's so subtle. I feel like if you like a really stark highlight, this might not be the best product for you, but it looks so beautiful on the skin and it just blends in so nice. I just like to do a line right there, and then I do a little bit above my nose as well. This lighting keeps going in and out. Okay, and then I just press that in with the warmth of my fingers again. I'm all about the glossy skin in the summer, but I find that it's a pretty fine line between looking glossy and looking like really greasy. I do have extremely dry, kind of like lizard skin. It's so dry and it's so dry and kind of crackly, so I tend to go a little bit overboard on the dewy products, but it works. I also like to take that highlight and just get a little bit on my finger and put it on the middle of my lip here. I feel like it just adds a little bit of shine and sort of that plump illusion. Okay, and at this point we are pretty much done. I am going to use my Milk Makeup setting spray. Obviously this is not Ilia, but you get the idea. This is just my favorite setting spray. I haven't found another one that I like as much as this one. I hope you can see in this lighting. It's a very, very subtle, natural, sort of no makeup skin look, but as you can see, there is a lot of glow going on, which I'm all about. That illuminator and even the serum underneath just catches the light so beautifully. Let me know what your favorite Ilia product is down below. I'd love to check it out. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed, and we'll see you next Sunday. Bye!